I'm on my way to Topolčany to visit my cousin, and it's a super hot day, 35 degrees. So I finally entered some mountains and I decided to turn off, and I found this cool cave called Čertova or Devil's Furnace. It is in Považský Inovec Mountains in the Nitra region in Slovakia. So I'm about an hour from the capital city, Bratislava. The cave is known also to have yielded material evidence of repeated human presence and habitation during the Stone Age. So I'm inside the cave now. There's nobody here. It's like in the woods. I'm just backing up because it's super dark in here. Can't see anything, but there's lots of like holes in the walls. It looks like, I don't know, bats, but you can tell that it's like really old.